Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I bring you an amazing Christmas story titled The Forgotten Elf. In Santa Claus's workshop, there was a little elf named Nico. While others were making toys, Nico decided to invent something unique, a flying magic train. However, his peers mocked him, saying no one would want such a toy. Undeterred, Nico worked all night and finished his creation. On Christmas Eve, a massive snowstorm blocked the streets, and Santa couldn't use his sleigh. That's when Nico's flying train saved Christmas, delivering presents to every child. Moral: never let criticism stop you. Innovation and courage can change the world. I hope you enjoyed this inspiring story about Nico and how his creativity saved Christmas. Remember, never let criticism hold you back. Innovation and bravery can change the world. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming inspiring stories. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.